Recently, I asked a quiz question about which oil has the longest shelf life. Less than half of nearly 500 people who took the quiz answered correctly. The correct answer was coconut oil. In addition, I received quite a few comments that lard and beef tallow lasted longer than coconut oil. Well, no. Though it's excellent for cooking and storing, beef tallow and lard don't last as long as coconut oil. This surprising result got me thinking. Understanding the shelf life of different fats and oils is crucial, especially for anyone preparing for long-term storage or survival scenarios. So we're going to take a look at the various types of oils and fats, what their shelf lives are, and what makes them different. This is not about cooking flavor or the nutrition value. It's about practicality, what lasts longest and stores the best. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a superstar in terms of its shelf life. Thanks to its high saturated fat content, it can last 2 to 5 years unopened and around 6 months to a year once it's opened, depending on its storage conditions. It's naturally resistant to oxidation, which is what causes oils to go rancid. Refined coconut oil often lasts longer than unrefined or regular virgin coconut oil because the refining process removes impurities that can shorten its shelf life. Well, what about lard? Lard, or rendered pork fat, has a shorter shelf life than many assume. Stored in a cool, dark place, commercially processed lard can last up to a year unopened. And once opened, it's best used within 6 months. Home rendered lard may have an even shorter shelf life because it lacks preservatives found in commercial products. Refrigeration can extend its usability to some degree. Beef and chicken tallow. Tallow, which is rendered fat from beef or chicken, is another traditional cooking fat. Like lard, it's highly shelf-stable compared to unsaturated oils, but it doesn't outlast coconut oil. Beef tallow can last about a year unopened and 6 to 8 months after it's open if it's kept in a cool, dark place. Now, chicken tallow has a slightly shorter shelf life due to its higher polyunsaturated fat content. Butter and ghee. Butter has a relatively short shelf life at room temperature, obviously, lasting only a few days to a week before it begins to spoil. However, ghee, or clarified butter, is a whole different story. By removing the water and the milk solids from butter, ghee becomes shelf-stable, lasting up to a year unopened and several months once it's opened. Ghee's longevity depends heavily on storage conditions. A cool, dark pantry is ideal. And be sure to stay tuned for a super easy recipe to make ghee in just a minute. Olive oil. Olive oil is popular for its health benefits, but it doesn't excel in long-term storage. Unopened, it can last 1 to 2 years, but once it's opened, it should be used within 6 months to a year. Light, heat, and air can degrade olive oil quickly, so it's best stored in a dark glass bottle or a metal tin. Well, how about seed oils like canola and sunflower? Seed oils like canola, sunflower, and even soybean oil have a relatively short shelf life compared to saturated fats. Unopened, they last about a year, but once they're opened, they should be used within 6 months. And their high polyunsaturated fat content makes them more prone to oxidation and rancidity. And refrigeration can slow this process, but it's not going to stop it. Nut oils like almond and walnut. Nut oils are, of course, rich in flavor, but they have some of the shortest shelf lives. Typically, they last 6 to 12 months unopened and 3 to 6 months after opening. Their high unsaturated fat content makes them prone to rancidity. Refrigeration is almost a necessity to extend their usability. Palm oil. Palm oil, like coconut oil, is high in saturated fat, making it relatively shelf-stable. It can actually last 2 to 3 years unopened and around a year once it's opened. Its widespread use in processed foods and cosmetics is largely due to its long shelf life and its resistance to spoilage. And how about specialty oils like avocado and flaxseed? Avocado oil, though it's highly nutritious, has a shelf life similar to olive oil, 1 to 2 years unopened and 6 months to a year once it's opened. Flaxseed oil has an even shorter shelf life, lasting just 3 to 6 months unopened and only a month or two once it's open, even when it's refrigerated. Here's a few storage tips for longevity. So regardless of the type of fat or oil, proper storage is going to significantly extend its shelf life. So here are some pretty universal tips. Keep it cool. Heat accelerates oxidation, so store your oils and fats in a cool, dark place like a pantry or even a refrigerator for more delicate options. Avoid light and air. Be sure to use containers that block light and seal tightly to limit the exposure to air. Watch for signs of spoilage. Rancid oil will smell sour or metallic, and it should be thrown out immediately. So here's a super simple recipe for how to make ghee. Melt the butter. Put unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat and let it melt completely. And the butter can be store-bought or home churned from milk. Simmer it gently. Once it's melted, the butter will separate it into 3 layers, a kind of frothy foam on the top, a clear golden liquid in the middle, and milk solids that will sink to the bottom. Now you skim the foam. Gently skim off the foam with a spoon as it forms, but don't worry if you miss a little bit of it. Then you're going to want to watch for clarity. Let it cook until the liquid becomes clear, and you can see the golden milk solids at the bottom, which is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes, and it'll have a nutty smell when it's ready. Then you're going to remove it from heat and carefully pour the ghee through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean, dry jar. Throw out the milk solids or save them for another use. Let it cool to room temperature and then seal the jar. Put it in a cool, dark place or the refrigerator for a longer shelf life. So why does it matter? Understanding the shelf life of oils and fats is about more than just avoiding waste. It's also about being prepared. Whether you're just stocking your pantry for everyday use or you're planning for long-term storage, knowing which options are the most shelf-stable can make a significant difference. While coconut oil does take the crown for longevity, every type of fat has its place and its purpose. So by storing them correctly and understanding their limitations, you can ensure your supplies remain usable for as long as possible.